Welcome to our video on the diverse approaches to child rearing across the globe. Today, we explore the stark differences between developed and underdeveloped countries in terms of childhood care and education. In developed nations like the USA, Australia, and parts of Europe, there is a wealth of knowledge and resources dedicated to understanding child psychology and development. These countries invest heavily in creating enriching environments for children. Conversely, in less developed regions, such as certain Arabic countries and parts of Africa, there is a noticeable gap in childhood care research. Often, children here play with whatever is available, lacking structured educational frameworks. Thankfully, global sharing of research is helping bridge this gap. Countries worldwide are enhancing their preschool systems, aiming to align their educational practices with international standards of child development. Creating a nurturing environment akin to a home is crucial for child development. This involves balancing engaging activities that keep children committed and learning through play, without undue pressure. Understanding that play is essential for children is fundamental for parents, caregivers, and educators. Children should be free to explore and play without being forced to meet adult expectations prematurely. The environment is key in childcare. Activities must be varied and age-appropriate to ensure that each age group has suitable toys and programs. This fosters effective learning and engagement. Safety and attractiveness of toys are paramount. Moreover, having enough qualified staff ensures children in groups feel attended to and not neglected, enhancing their play experience. Well-organized spaces, both indoors and outdoors, are essential. Children benefit from accessible and neat environments where they can explore and play safely. Explaining the importance of play to parents and caregivers can significantly impact a child's well-being. When adults understand the value of play, they make necessary adjustments for a child's comfort. A bored child often misbehaves. Waiting for activities or being unattended can lead to negative behaviors as children seek attention and stimulation in their surroundings. Uninformed adults might expect children to behave like adults, not realizing children lack full reasoning or self-control. This misunderstanding can lead to unnecessary frustration and discipline. For instance, a child breaking a vase while exploring isn't misbehaving intentionally. These actions are part of their learning and should be met with understanding rather than anger. In some underdeveloped regions, children are often expected to help with household chores, neglecting their need for play. This can hinder their development and joy of childhood. It's essential for caregivers to recognize that even if resources are limited, fostering an environment for play can have a profound impact on a child's development and happiness. Efforts are underway globally to educate communities about the importance of early childhood development. By sharing knowledge, we can ensure every child has access to a supportive and enriching environment. By valuing children's need for play and engagement, we pave the way for healthier, happier, and more well-rounded individuals in society. Thank you for watching and investing in the future generation.